area. For today's video, I'll show you now how to get .com domain for just under $7. And $7 now about less than 10,000 naira or Nigerian currency today. And you go agree with me, say to get normal.com domain now about 25k on a normal. But this website what I want to show you now, so it will give you a .com domain for under $7, and the price is actually $6.49. But now actually promo the day like this, and this promo will expire on the 31st of September. So make sure you go get your .com domain sharp. We are not sure now how to get them. So before we start, I want to get two things for mind. For this to work, we need to get $7 ready for on a bank account or on a card. And the second thing, get a domain name in mind. I make sure you already search this domain before, and say nobody already collect them. So get those two things for granted. The domain name you want to use, and then your $7, so about 10 to 11,000 naira. If you don't get those two things for granted, the next thing we will need to do now to go to the website namecheap.com. When you enter namecheap.com, you go enter the domain name where you want to use. We'll use mannerlyshoes.com and then search. You search like this, you see the domain name.com outside, and this one they are available. But the thing I be say, this account where they use like this now account where they apply the discount where they offer right now before. So if I try to apply them again with this account, it no go work. I might just apply them. I might show you how the thing they be. You might just apply them. I might show you how this process go. As you see for you, so now only newcomers, which is people who don't get accounts with this website before, now if you get this .com domain for this price, meaning if you get account with them before, if you get the .com domain for this price. But if you never get account before, this is your very first account on this people website, then they will give you this .com for less than $7. So as you see now, the coupon code be that newcom649. So make sure you copy them. If you don't copy the code finish, then you add to carts. Click on the add to cart, and then you check out. And when the checkout page load, you enter the promo code, then you paste them for there, and then you apply. But should you see now, they tell me, say they give me error, say this coupon code they already use them. Meaning this account where when you still apply the coupon code again, I've already used them for another domain where I'll buy this afternoon gong. So we'll go log out so that we'll use another account. I'll show you how the process they go. So I'm gonna create new account now so that if we try use the coupon code again. Okay, I'll create new account, so we'll continue. Alright, so this is the new account. We'll paste the coupon code again. I'm gonna apply them. So you see, it says coupon code successfully applied, meaning normal domain of about 25,000 before. Now go get them for just under 10,000 naira, which is under $7 instead of about $15 will be the normal price. So now click on confirm your order. Now I'm gonna pay attention because on this part they're very critical. The part you go to pay for the domain, they're very critical. So I'm gonna make sure to pay attention to this part where now when you reach this stage of the checking out process, enter in your account contact information. Just go through this page, enter everything where you see me, you enter. After you enter all the details for the account information, you don't enter the details for the setup, you could come here where they call billing. And this page now you go to select how you want to pay for the domain. But you go to say the very first payment option we did then are secure card payments. But don't be this one we'll choose. Then we'll scroll down. If you scroll down, you see PayPal, then you see account funds. You select account funds. Now what's the account funds they do now say it go fund your wallet for inside these people websites so that you could just pay directly from there. So as at now, you say we not get funds inside because whenever this is my new account we just create. So you go click on add funds to fund your wallet inside these people websites. So click on add fund. Again, this process is very straightforward. Just click on card payment, select next. Here you enter in the details of your card and click next. But make sure you select the amount to fund as $7, not $6.69, just exactly $7. Now you enter in enter in your card details like your name, your card number, your PIN, and the rest. Now to make the payment, this pop-up will come up. We go ask you enter OTP which they will send to your bank, registered phone number, or your email will be connected to your card. I don't know if you do that one now because we already buy domain earlier today and we don't buy another one at the moment. So just make sure you receive your OTP, enter them inside this place, and then confirm your payments. Now after your payment don't confirm and you don't add money to your wallet, you go back to your carts or your checkout page and then you go back to your carts or your checkout page, and then from the payment methods you scroll down again, then select pay from your account, which is using your account funds. And by this time that your $7 so you fund just now, you don't enter, so your current balance go they say $7. And then when you click on continue, it will pay for your domain. But now see where the tricky parts could come in, because these people don't know as they offer this discount, so many people go on buy .com domain using this discount, so they don't make the process difficult or kind. So if you try to confirm your payments for your domain and it not work using the discount, so you go click on this chat with a live person to contact their customer care. You go tell them, say, CEO, I want to buy the domain.com with this discount, but not the work. And in less than 30 to 45 minutes, they'll generate a new coupon code for you. If you apply and sharp, you don't buy your domain. So to reach your customer care, after you don't click on that live chat, this page will come up, and then you click on this button where they the right, need help. Click on that button, that chat button. So you click on it and then select domain from all those many options, and then enter in can't purchase a domain. Can't purchase domain or can't purchase domain. Just can't purchase domain and then send. And then in less than 45 minutes, I assure you, say everything goes this sorted. So if you get any challenge or you experience as you try purchase this domain, just leave them for the comments, or if you send us message directly to our email, and we'll respond in less than 4 hours. So thank you, and make sure you go get your .com domain now. Make sure you go get your .com domain between now and the 31st of September before this promo will expire. This is namecheap.com 57% discount for .com domain. I'm not sure you go see that kind of offer anywhere right now. So go to namecheap.com and then follow the steps what I'll show now. Thank you for watching, and well done.